Why do successful, smart people fail at trading or just not find success at trading? What are the reasons? For one, insufficient knowledge. They're going with shortcuts. They're just staring at charts, which is naturally going to cause erratic results. They don't trust the system. They may think they do, but all of a sudden they get into a trade, and that's the time you need to think, do I really believe? Do I really trust this system? Or maybe you get out. Save your account for another day. They're relying on webinars. Excuse me, they're relying on indicators because it looks so good on the webinar. Maybe they're relying on a trade service. Just sit back and let someone spoon feed you trades. Well, the problem there is what happens when you have the trade? What happens when the trade goes against you? Are you supposed to add? Are you supposed to stop yourself out? Is there something that you can hedge that trade with? The trade service that you're using isn't giving you that kind of information, but that's the secret to trading. It comes down to not only getting into a trade, it comes down to money management, trade management, hanging out to losers, covering winners real quick. People are so excited to have a winning trade that they're taking it off, but they're holding on to all the garbage in their portfolio. They learn while risking money. They don't take a break and say, you know what? I'm going to just focus on education. I'm in it for the long game. I'm 50 years old. I want to be educated and feel great by the time I'm 52, and then I'm going to risk money. Or I'm 60. There's plenty of time. You're going to do far better off taking 3 months, 6 months, 9 months off, focus on learning, and then after that, there'll be plenty of time to make money. People fail because they're trying to rebuild an account. Their account was at 50 and now it's at 30. And they're tunnel vision. All they can think about is they got to get that account back to 50. They got to get that account back to 50. But what they're not realizing is 30K to 50K is a heck of a return. You have to align your expectations with reality. You're putting yourself at a very big disadvantage trying to build your account because the market doesn't remember where your account was. Dependent on technical analysis. Just because somebody tells you that a head and shoulders or a triangle or a double top or triple top should behave in a certain way, please realize that's subjective. Also, what you think of as a head and shoulders, it's not what I think of a head and shoulders. 10 people look at the same pattern, you're going to have 10 different opinions. Then somebody could change the time frames around on you. Be careful looking at these pictures trying to interpret the move of the market. They don't understand their risks. Trade goes against them, they lose a ton of money. And then they say, wow, I never realized the risk that I had in that market. I've been selling credit spreads, making money 95% of the time. And all of a sudden, volatility rose and I got my butt kicked. Finally, they're all alone. One of the most dangerous things is trading alone, because then when you have questions, then when you're uncertain or you're not confident, there's no one there to talk to. There's no one there to bounce ideas off of.